welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this eye look right here, and I used the brand new Little Ray of Sunshine palette by Colourpop. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything in place with some translucent powder. This is the palette. It's all matte and I'm totally here for it. I love all the shades and I was super inspired as soon as I saw it. I knew I wanted to use it. So I'm going into this center shade first with my big fluffy brush, and I'm just applying this into my crease and left and right motions, focusing this mainly in the very center. And I am going pretty ham with this shade. I want it to be nice and vibrant. And then I'm going into my angled brush and I'm going into this shade right here. And I'm going to be using this color to apply a line of definition in the center of my crease. So I'm just applying this line. This is going to be our map for where we're going to apply our other shades. And I just personally like to build depth in my crease this way. I feel like it's the easiest way. You can always have your eye open and that'll give you a good map of where to apply that line. I like to give myself a little bit more lid space. Next, I'm going into my small tapered brush and the shade that I pointed at and going in left and right motions over top of that line. And as you can see, we already have a really good gradient going. So this is how I like to build my gradient. I like to go in first with the darkest shade and then slowly blend it out. Next, I'm grabbing my angled brush and some concealer and I'm just packing this all over my lid. I did carve my crease and this is just going to give us a lot of definition. And then I always like to go over it with a compact brush and just really press some translucent powder over top of it just to set that concealer in place so it doesn't budge or ruin all of our hard work. Next, I'm going into this shade right here with my flat brush, and I'm just going to be packing this on the inner corner of my lid and just kind of packing it onto the center of the lid as well, just kind of blend it on there. Next, I'm going into our big fluffy brush and that center yellow shade once again and just applying this to the outer corner. This is going to give us a little bit more dimension, and I'm also going to be adding a lot of depth on this outer corner, so all of the shades that I apply after that can blend into it. So I'm going back into that one shade that we used to carve our crease, and I'm just applying this as I would a wing liner, so just on that very outer edge. And then I'm grabbing a really small tapered brush, mixing these two shades right here, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that wing that we applied, and it's just going to make it nice and blended, and it's going to blend all three of those shades together. And then I'm going to be using a gel liner from Colourpop. They just sent this with the Little Ray of Sunshine collection, so I'm just applying this as I would a liner, and super like hydrated pencil, and it was super easy to just glide on there, so it was really nice. And then I'm grabbing this really small compact brush and that brick shade, and I'm just packing this over top of that liner, and it's really blending it out. And then we lost some of our pigment right there, so I went into the darkest brown shadow and just packed that on the very outer corner. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. We do still have these in stock, so if you guys want to check it out, link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm going back into that liner that we used on that outer corner, and I'm just applying it to my waterline. And then I'm grabbing that yellow shade and just applying it to my lower lash line. And that's it for the lower lash line. I wanted to keep it a little bit more simple because we have so much going on up top. And then I'm grabbing my Fenty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes, and then I'm grabbing my Pixie highlight and popping that onto the inner corner. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And always, guys, if you have any questions on any of the products that I use, I always link them in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!